Hi, welcome to Travel and Travel. Today on our garden tour, we are in Biddulph Grange in Staffordshire. So here we are. Somebody's trimming the topiaries. This is a part of our tour in Stoke-on-Trent. So if you watch my video on Wallerton Old Hall Gardens, this is a continuation. So this is Biddulph Grange Garden. It's a National Trust property. If you're a member of the National Trust, it's free to get in. If you are not, please check the website of the National Trust of the Biddulph Grange Garden for the updated price. This garden is quirky, beautifully maintained, fabulously laid out, inspired by ancient Egypt, Italy, and China. One of the highlights of this garden is certainly the daily walk. The long walk is divided into rooms with carefully clipped yew hedges and planted each year with many collection of dahlias. I would probably say the best time to visit the dahlia, to get the most of the dahlia display, is late summer from August till autumn really. Lots of beautiful unusual plants too. As you carry on walking to the end of the dahlia walk, you come to the stumpery, where you get this feeling of being in a jungle and intrigued where the path's going to take you next. Do we go to China or do we go to Egypt? There is so much to see. We could easily spend the whole day here. It looks very natural. All the plants here are very happy doing their own things, and they look like they've been here forever. It's so peaceful and relaxing. I think in here, there we are. We get the view of the dahlia walk and the beautiful house there on the background. It looks amazing. What a view! Geological gallery. This garden is also a family friendly place, I think. Just one thing to bear in mind though, if you want a picnic, the picnic area is by the car park. There is no picnic area in the garden, so you have to go back there if you want to have a picnic after a walk. It's not a private owned. Okay, so I think this is the geological room or geological house. There's a few exhibits here. It's a great educational activity for the kids and adults as well. If you are into geology, which is, I believe, it is the study of earth. Okay, I think this is the Cheshire Cottage. Look at that. We are due to go in now, or?
It depends with that.
Okay, we'll go there first. Oh, let's have a look at this. Oh, it's cold here. Oh, I saw that. Let's be careful. Oh, where are we? Okay, where are we? Oh, the Egyptian court. So this is the Egyptian inspired area of the garden. No. Here we are. Welcome to China. No. Let me just check. Be careful, it could be slippery. Wow, look at this. There's surprises around every corner. This is the Chinese garden, which is probably one of the signature of Biddulph gardens. It's fabulous. From what? Look at the bridge and the pavilion there. It's like you've been transported to China. Can you? Oh gosh, you're brave. Do you feel safe there?
No, I don't actually. I've got to get across it. I'm sure it is.
Well, it looks very sturdy.
Follow it,
Yes. So I'm gonna go and walk in that bridge. So we're out of the Chinese garden and we are brought to another atmosphere here. I think this is more of a landscape garden rather than a cottage garden, because there's no herbaceous border, not many flower borders, or kitchen garden as well. I've not seen any kitchen garden. So yeah, it's beautifully maintained landscape. I think it's gonna be quite a long walk to the end.
A long walk.
Big urn there.
We've come to the end of the walk.
Nice focal point. So here we are at the end of the walk. We made it. Plenty of seats to have a rest after that walk. The seats are wet. I'll just stand here. So I think this is the pineatum. There are lots of collection of pines, as you can see. There is plenty more to explore here. And I'm getting ready for a cup of tea. We are heading towards the end, I think, now, and we're gonna be going to the tea room after. And you think you've done it all? I can see the house there. But now we are heading towards the Lime Avenue, which is, I think, one of the nice walk in this place. This is the other side of the pond, bottom of the house. And that completes our walk. We're back to where we started earlier on. And now we are going for a cup of tea, see what is there at the cafe. I'm ready for it as well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed watching our video here in Biddulph Grange Gardens. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now.